Welcome to Gardenary's Garden to Table course. My name is Nicole Burke and I'm so excited to welcome you not just into my kitchen garden, but also into my kitchen. I'm a little nervous, to be honest. I'm really not a cook. I'm a mom, I'm a business owner, I'm busy, but I love eating fresh food from the garden, and I especially love doing it when it's simple and easy. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you throughout this course. So a while ago, years ago, my aunt said something to me. She was a busy mom as well. And I was with her one summer and she was chopping up all this fresh fruit and making a little salad and, pulling dinner together. And she said, Nicole, I don't really cook dinner, I assemble dinner. And those words have stuck with me and honestly given me so much help and hope over the years as a mom of 4 kids, all growing up very close together in age, and also running a business out of my home. So I'm going to teach you how not necessarily to cook food from the garden, but how to assemble food from the garden. How to take things like a huge basket that you just pulled from your own kitchen garden, take it inside, and turn it into some simple, quick, delicious garden to table recipes. I can't wait to show you inside my kitchen and to guide you through the step-by-step to take all this bounty and make sure you don't waste it, you don't lose it, and instead you get to enjoy it and you get to create dishes that your family, friends, and neighbors get to enjoy with you as well. So let's get started. I've got my harvest basket ready. You grab yours and I'll see you inside the kitchen together.